my crafty friends, it's me, Lisa from Lisa Goodwin DIY, and we are back in Cricut Design Space, and I have a really short tutorial for you today. And the reason I decided to make this video was because I actually was having this question myself. So, have you ever wanted to curve text when you're working in Design Space? Well, if you have and you don't know how to do it, this tutorial is for you. All right, so we are going to open up a new text box. Let's see, let's write something in here. Let's type out Merry Christmas. Okay, so there is the text that I will be working on. And one thing I don't know if you noticed or not, but up here on this bar, there is a curve section. So if you type in your text into a text box, then you hit the curve, this will curve your letters. So you can do a little curve, you can do a big curve, like all the way around, or you can even do the curve this way. Pretty neat, isn't it? And such an easy little tip for you to take into Cricut Design Space and work on your own craft projects. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you're enjoying these little Cricut tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel and you can see all of the other Cricut tutorial videos and Design Space videos that I have. And be sure to click that bell notification, and that way you will be alerted when I have a new video come out. Happy crafting!